Are you looking for a home that's the perfect combination of a great neighborhood with also the ability to have some privacy when you want it? Then this is the home for you. I'm Linda Arpino with the Pozerycki Arpino Realty team. Behind the camera is my partner, Bill.
Hello, everybody.
He's out in a little bit of the rain, so I'm going to just talk as long as possible so that he can get just soaked out there.
Thank you.
So we are at 7 Loon Way in Westford. It's part of Lakeside Meadows. I'm going to have Bill sort of pan the house as I talk a little bit about the development. So there's about 110 houses in here. So that's where I mentioned you've got the perfect sort of neighborhood ability. But where we are on Loon, we're sort of tucked inside the neighborhood. We're on a corner lot. We've got conservation surrounding us. So Bill will pan the house and then he'll sort of just pan a little bit of the neighborhood so you can see that we're in that kind of quiet area. The other great thing, so stay with us to the end, because the vacation at home concept is perfect in this house. There's so much to do in this house, in this neighborhood, that there's no need to go anywhere else. So we'll head inside in a minute. If you have any questions as I'm going or talking, put them in. Bill can see them, and we will answer them for you. So welcome to 7 Loon Way, Westford, Massachusetts, in Lakeside Meadows.
I need a towel.
That was pretty long, Bill. I'm glad I extended that intro for us.
Lisa is watching.
Hi,
Hello,
Lisa.
And she said it's a beautiful yard. It is a beautiful yard, Lisa. There's professional landscaping out front, so it's wonderful. Nothing to do outside.
Right, and that's one of the things. When you drive up, the way it's situated on the lot, the immaculate landscaping, you can tell that the home has been so meticulously cared for, which is what you want to have in your new home. So as we enter into the foyer. It has a nice double closet. It has a turned staircase, hardwood floors. So it's a very pretty entryway as you come in, nice and large. I think it was about 10 by 7. So first we'll start in the heart of the home. We'll head into the kitchen area. So the hardwood's going to continue on to the kitchen. We'll eventually get to the dining room and living room. And here is our large kitchen.
I'm going to swing this way.
So there is plenty of cabinetry. There's a large sort of pantry cabinet. There is a center island with a breakfast bar. You can fit 3 chairs behind it. They have the little desk area. They have some additional cabinetry over here as well.
And that's the hall that we just came in.
And then the beauty of it, that sort of open concept that everybody loves. You have a half wall, which kind of gives you some definition of the space, but with the half wall, it also gives you and opens up into this massive, I guess, family room.
I'm just going to swing around so we can see the kitchen from this angle too. That's out on the deck. We'll talk about that later.
We will get there later.
Yes.
Make sure you hang in with us because you're going to want to see the yard. So after we do this area and family room, that's the way to get into the dining room.
Dining room was right through there. And
But
I'm
we'll
gonna swing
start
back around.
Actually, so 2 places. So coming in, if you're living, so we saw the nice entryway that your guests come in. If you're living here, you park in your garage, and you've got a nice tiled mudroom, so everyone can kick their shoes off, backpacks, whatever you got in there. And then for the entertainment space, the family time space, whether you're just hanging out watching a movie or you're entertaining a very large crowd, because the house can hold that. This is the family room. They've got plenty of natural light because we've got 2 skylights. We've got the palladium window over the large picture window. It does also offer a gas fireplace in the corner.
Yes, this is gorgeous, Jan.
Hi, Jan. Thanks for joining. And I don't know if you get the sort of cathedral ceiling and skylights
You can see the depth.
and ceiling fan.
Yeah. So like Linda said, lots of really nice natural sunlight pouring in. And I'm going to swing all the way around.
Yeah, so that's a great corner picture because now you can see the size of the room. You can see the openness into the kitchen. So it's a really great open space with plenty of room to fit whoever you'd like.
You can be
If you have
picky.
lots of friends, or if you don't, you can just hang here with you and yourself and have a nice cozy time by the gas fireplace.
Yes.
All right, so we'll head into the dining room next. So it does have some recessed lighting in the kitchen as well. And then we get into the dining room. Hardwood's in great shape. It's going to come into the dining room. So again, if you're looking to have a crowd around holiday time, maybe, it's plenty of room here. They have sort of the bow window, which kind of extends the room. They have crown molding. They have a chair rail. So nice little extra details. They've swapped out a lot of the lights. Some of the lights, the foyer light coming in, the kitchen lights, this dining room light. I'm losing my voice.
Oh.
I guess I must be talking too much.
That would be a pity.
Excuse me. And then hardwood continues into the living room. So this is what would be traditionally the living room. You can use the space obviously any way you want. They have it sort of as a little sitting area.
And as you can probably see, the hardwood is in great shape. Walls, ceilings, wonderful shape as well. I'm just going to swing this way and tuck myself in the corner so you can see how this carries through back into the dining room.
And nowadays with COVID and everyone changing workplaces, we actually have two options for a home office for you. First one I'll show you now, it's on the first floor. So we're back in the foyer, so when you entered, if we took a right immediately, we would go into the home office. So they have a large sort of desk area, so there's plenty of room. It has the nice glass door here, so if you want the privacy, you can close the door. And you can look outside at your lovely private area while you're working. But again, so this is just one of the two options. This is the first. And next we will head upstairs. So the square footage in the home is a little over 3,300 square feet. And we're going to head up.
Now let's go up. This is the new light they replaced.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, as long as I don't fall backwards, I'm good.
So over 2,900 square feet of that is in the first and second floor. There's a room we'll show you in the lower level, finished, that adds about another 300 or so. So I'll have Bill head into the master first. So the master bedroom has wall-to-wall carpeting, has a nice large area to fit plenty of space in here. Plus we've got a few other rooms to show you, but this would be your main sort of sleeping area for the master. Has the nice ceiling fan. The house has central AC, 2 zones, which is nice.
I'm just going to swing around. Whoa, sorry. There's Linda in the mirror, and there's the real Linda.
Here I am. Okay, and then walking down the hall, so this is sort of the master suite.
Laura Kate is watching as
Hi,
well.
Laura Kate. Thanks for joining. We have the walk-in closet, so it has the different hanging and folding areas. It's very large, great space. We continue on to your ensuite bathroom. We've got the tile floor. We have the separate shower. We have the large sort of soaking jacuzzi tub and a double vanity. So it's nice, bright, open space.
I will swing around and get that.
And plenty of room. And next is the second office. So this would not be considered the second office. Over here would be your second option. So it could be, I mean, right now we have it, they use it as a second office, but you could have it as a workout area, a nursery, plenty of different options, a sitting room. So however you want to do it. So that's a little bit different. You don't see that set up as much. So instead of having the large, an extra large area where you don't really know no separate sections to it and how to set that up, you've got a very good size main for your bedroom. Plus you have the walk-in closet, plus you have the bathroom, plus you have this extra room that you can utilize what works best for you.
Right, and like we said with COVID, a lot of families need 2 offices.
Yes. It's separate from each other.
And it's separate so you can't hear each other. That's
Can't hear each other yell. All right, so now we're heading, so there's 3 additional bedrooms up here. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial. We head to the right, we're gonna head into the first bedroom. All of the bedrooms do have the wall-to-wall carpet. This one has a nice ceiling fan to it, double windows, and it also has a walk-in closet. So whoever's got the most clothes gets this bedroom.
Well,
My household, there'd be a big argument of who could get this one. I don't know who would win. It'd be toss-up.
well, Laura Kate says that she likes the master bedroom closet, and I think she deserves it because I hear she's a wonderful person. So
And then what people also love is the laundry room upstairs. So all your clothes are up here. That's where you get everything for your dirty laundry. And we've got a nice tiled laundry room.
there we go. And Lisa's comment was also right on line with the laundry room. She saw it as I panned by. She wants that, and she wants the closet.
All right.
It is nice to have your laundry on the second floor because that's where it all comes from.
Next is the full bathroom that will work for the 3 additional bedrooms. It has a double sink, which is terrific, tile flooring, nice and bright. It has the tub and shower combination. Ooh, you can see the blue of the pool there too.
I was quick on that because we're still trying to tease. That I didn't see no pool. What pool?
And the final 2 bedrooms at the end of the hall.
And there's the 2 closets in here.
Oh yes, they have a linen closet inside the bathroom. And then we've got bedroom on the front of the house. Again, they're nice, very large size. You can fit plenty of dressers in here, seating if someone wanted a little seating area, desk for working and doing your homework at home.
And something you don't see a lot, you get 3 windows in this room. Sometimes you just get 1 or 2. So again, with all the windows in this house and how it's situated on the lot, you're going to get a lot of great natural sunlight with pretty much every room in the house.
So we'll do our final bedroom up here, and then we can head back downstairs. Again, carpet, nice large closet, good sized bedroom.
And again, you can see walls, ceilings, everything all in great shape.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you the half bath, which is on the first floor, which I missed on our first tour around,
And I'm just
which
gonna
Bill kindly told me.
I'm just gonna pan over.
Oh, there's Bill's shoes.
My camera does not want me to pan over. So we're on a we can go this way.
All right. Can hear my little pitter pat. So back on the first floor, we'll head down the hall, and I can have Bill show you the half bath, which is here on my left.
So there we go in there.
There we go, tile flooring. And then let's take a peek at the finished room downstairs. So obviously plenty of room up here. So your downstairs you could use as a media room, extra playroom for the kids, workout area, whatever you need your extra space for. Crafting room, got a lot of crafters. So the space is heated. It does have the wall-to-wall carpeting, has some recessed lighting, has a cute feature to the right with a little bit of a...
Jan likes the crafting room. There's a lot about this house that you want, Jan, and you should have.
So they have a little bit of a place that goes in here that you could put a TV. And they also have a closet. And then the two other rooms. So what is nice is it's a nice large space finished, but it's not the whole area. So you do have plenty of storage. So the door that Bill's panning to now is one way to get into your unfinished basement space. And as he pans around again, there's the other one. And there's a second closet.
So all kinds of options down here for you.
All right, so our final spot, let's head back upstairs and let's talk about vacationing at home.
I'm just going to pan this way, and then we'll head up.
So nowadays, vacation at home has a whole new meaning to it. And I don't know if everyone's been watching the news, but even if you try and go on vacation, there's so many flights that are getting canceled right now. Nobody seems to be able to get to where they want to go. It's expensive, you got to plan things. So if we want to have just vacation at the house or vacation in the neighborhood, let's talk a little bit about what you have. We'll see if it's raining again. It might have stopped. So in 2018, they added a hot tub. So you've got a nice large deck. It is the composite material for the decking, so you don't have to worry about staining it or painting it. And then as we move further down, we have a fire pit area. So you can sit outside at night, put the fire pit on, and enjoy a beverage or two. And now you've got the in-ground pool. It is heated.
Oof.
The liner was replaced last year. Look how beautiful the blue is.
I know.
It looks amazing.
It does.
So you don't have to go anywhere. You just go in your backyard and you've got 3 great entertainment spaces. You've got the privacy of the fencing, plus we've got that corner lot with all the conservation behind. And we have a large sort of side area here. So that's amazing. If you want to venture out a little bit more, they have walking trails here. They have sidewalks where you can just do a regular walk on the sidewalk. They do have picnic tables that they have throughout the development. They also have a neighborhood beach. So you can head down to, and there's a bathhouse down there at the beach, so you can hang at the beach. You can swim in there. It's sort of an offshoot of Nabnasset Lake down there. You could bring your canoe down there and just canoe around. So it's like plenty of choices. Stay at home and just enjoy. Oh, one other thing which I like to here. So if Bill can, it has one of those electronic awnings, which is nice, so that if it is really hot in the summer sun, you can put that out and you can have some sun and some shade, which would be great for me with my skin. I like to have a little place to hide with the shade.
And I'll do one last pan of the pool. That shed you see back there is your shed.
So we are going to be going live in MLS tomorrow, Wednesday. Showings will start tomorrow. All offers are due Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. If you have any questions, we're going to post the video. We'll be watching and looking and monitoring. So feel free to put comments in there. We'll get back to you, or just reach out to Bill or I, and we are happy to answer anything. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, everybody.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.